Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be a review, a 3-year review on my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. Accessoire, I think they say in French, but yeah, I have been loving this bag. So today's video is going to be a review, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, it's gonna be all mod shots of me wearing this bag. So yeah, stick around, grab a cup of coffee, and let's chat. Alright guys, so this is my baby, the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. This bag was such a hit a couple years ago, and it was so hard to find, no one can find it, and I happened to get mine through my California essay, and yeah, I was really lucky because I wanted this bag so much. I watched every friggin' review on this bag before I got it, and I'm just totally obsessed with her ever since. I've been wearing it every single day ever since I got it, but recently I have put her away a little bit because I did get my Jacquemus bag and been wearing that one. But now that I'm doing this video, I really miss this bag again, and it's like that spark of when you first get the bag and you're so excited to wear it and, you know, use it and all. So I might bring her along with me again day to day. But all right, so some review on this bag. It is coated canvas leather, and it has a little bit of a leather tab that says Louis Vuitton right here, if you guys can see that. And then this is the other pouch that has a little tab of leather, and it has gold hardware. It has this beautiful, sorry, I'm not focused. Hello. There we go. So as I was saying, is it has this beautiful gold chain. I hope I wasn't focused the whole time, but I'll have to check that later. Anyway, it has this beautiful gold chain that you can wear as a shoulder strap. It has 2 pouches, and then I have my strap in here along with its round coin purse. Let me try to get it out, sorry. You know, I'll just leave it open. But yeah, this is the strap with the round coin purse. And I got the one with the khaki. They have a light pink, I think it's called, that you can get. I just went for the khaki because I wear very neutral outfits, and I just thought khaki would go with everything, and it has. So yeah, I got the khaki one. The pink one is really cute though. I think you can actually buy the pink strap separately. I could be wrong, but I know you can get other straps for this bag, which is really cute and cool. But yeah, so this is the mini pochette, this one right here, and then this is the pochette accessories, and these 2 bags are detachable. Everything is detachable, which is really awesome, and I love that versatility. Okay, so let's go through dimensions. So I'm gonna look at my notepad because I could not remember this for the life of me. 18.5 by 13.5 in the height, and the diameter is 2 centimeters. So it is a really decent size. That is the mini pochette, and for the pochette accessories, the length is 23.5 inches by 13.5, and the diameter is 4 centimeters. And yeah, so that is the dimensions of these 2 bags. So I wanted to get into the strap details before we get into the interior of the bag. So this is, like I said, the strap that I went for the khaki. It is adjustable, which is really nice. So the minimum strap length that you can go to, like this is all the way down, I believe I wrote it down, 14.6 is the minimum that you can go for it. But then if you wanted to make it longer, which it goes all the way, now this is super long, and it goes up to 22 inches. So the drop is 22 inches, which is a really nice fit because on me it hits like my hip area, which I like. And yeah, so yeah, that is the strap details. Also with the strap, you get this round coin purse like this one, and it attaches right here, and it also has a little bit of leather right here, and it comes with gold hardware. And this round coin purse has the big monogram on the front, and when you turn it around it has the mini monogram, which is so cute. I love that versatility. And yeah, it's a really nice zipper as well. Never got stuck in here or anything. I love Louis Vuitton zippers, they're always the best. And that is what it looks like on the inside, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So I don't know if your guys are going to be able to see that at all, but yeah, you guys aren't going to be able to see it. I don't know what is up with my camera today, but it is not working with me. But yeah, this is a round coin purse, and the dimensions of this round coin purse is, also wrote it down because I could not remember. Length is 9 inches by, the height is 9 inches, and also the width is 2 centimeters. So yeah, it's pretty decent size. You can't fit a credit card in here. I just usually stick my key fob, and it is the best thing ever. I don't have to take it out, and I just keep it in here, and it's out of the way from the inside of my bag, because you know, like, keys can scratch the inside of the bag and other things that are in your bag. So yeah, I like that little feature that this has. So let's get into the interior. I have like change in here or something, and it's really bothering me. So I'm gonna dump that out. The mini pochette, you just unzip it like that, and it's just a huge pocket. And what I usually put in here is my phone to keep it separated from everything else. And I usually just like always go on my phone more than I go in my handbag, if that makes sense, when I'm out. So I like to have it separated from everything. And I usually put like a credit card or some cash in there as well, just to have like easy access, instead of like going through my bag and everything. But yeah, that's what I usually put in the front pocket, and it's really convenient, and it keeps your bag really organized. So yeah, that's the front mini pochette. And then we have the Pochette accessories. So again, it has a zipper, gold zipper. Again, these zippers, guys, are so amazing, so buttery smooth. I love it so much. And when you open it, the interiors are textile lining, and it is just a huge pocket. And then you have another pocket right here, and then you have this little thing that says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So I like how this bag is made in France. And as you guys could see right there. And yeah, I just noticed that mark. Good. But yeah, so it has a little pocket, which I really like because I like to keep my receipts separated. And I used to put like extra coupons or something in here. And then you have this huge flap opening. Here's another change. But yeah, I love the lining. It's very nice. I like the color, and it's very durable as well. So I like that about that. But yeah, so that is the little review of this bag. Now I'm going to get into the pros and cons of this bag. Okay, so my first pro of this bag, it is so versatile. You can wear this during the day with like a very sporty outfit or casual wear and rock this bag, or you can bring it while you're going on a date night or just out at night and you're going out, and you can definitely wear this bag as well, because you could take off the strap and just wear this and just put it over your shoulder, and it looks really cute. Or you can just put it on the crook of your arm, or you can literally just wear it like a pouch under your arm, because you can detach everything. So I'll show you that right now. So this part is the mini pochette part, so I'm going to take that off, and they have these like little hooks right here. So you just take that off, and I'm struggling because of my nails. Okay, so I took that off, and you can literally just wear it as a little pouch. And like if you're going to the beach, this is a great thing to bring with you, and you just stick it in your bag, and there you go. You just take this when you're going out to eat or something. This is great also for traveling, because this could be your little pouch for all your like tickets and your passport and your cash, and just bring it like this. So I love how versatile this really is. And I like how everything is detachable. So this literally doesn't look like the bag, but it looks like a really nice pouch. And yeah, so I love that about that. And then if you're going out at a night, you could literally just bring this with you with the chain. You can put your phone, cards, some cash, your lipstick, whatever you need. Hand sanitizer, be safe. But yeah, you can bring this, and there you go. You have a little night bag that is super cute. And yeah, I just love that idea as well. I already mentioned this, but another pro is that everything is detachable. So like I said, if you don't want the strap, you can take it off. If you just want the bigger pouch, the pochette, you can have that. The mini pochette, you can have that. And then also just simply taking off the strap makes this look like a totally new bag, and I love it. So yeah, I love that about this bag. And you can also take off the round coin purse if you don't want to have it on, you just want to have the strap on. So this bag is so versatile. You can literally do anything with it and it'll look so different from your look when you like rearrange everything, if that makes sense. So that is a pro. So my third pro is that how this bag doesn't have too much leather on it, because the leather does stain if like it rains, it does get watermarks. So I love how it doesn't have a lot of leather. You only have this tab here, and then you have the little tiny tabs on the strap, but you can easily cover that if it's like raining one day and you're out with this bag. So I love that about it, because then it won't get ruined and you don't have to really worry about the bag, because the canvas itself is so durable. So yeah, that is a pro to me. My fourth pro of this bag is how the strap is versatile, because it is adjustable. You can wear it really short as a shoulder bag slash bum bag kind of style. And I'll show you that in the mod shot, so stay till the end of the video. Or if you want it longer, you can literally make it longer. And I love how the strap doesn't like get stuck. It's so easy to move around. And just simply like making it shorter. If you're taller, you want it shorter, you could do that. If you're shorter and you want it shorter, you can also do that. So also this bag I didn't show you before, it says Louis Vuitton on it, and I really like the stitching. It's really nice and really well made. So yeah, my last pro of this bag is that it is an organized bag, so you can separate things. Like I said, I usually put my phone in here and a card if I want easy access, like if I'm just wanting to go in one pouch for the day and I want to have my other things that I don't really use on a daily basis in this pouch, I could do that. And I love how this pouch fits my phone so perfectly, and it's, you know, it's not a struggle to get in, and it fits. It doesn't make it bulky or anything, so I really like that about it. Okay, so as much as I love this bag, I do have a few cons to this bag. So my first con is that it doesn't hold a ton. Like, remember when I was using it, I was struggling. If I had like a bigger wallet, my other things wouldn't fit. It would make it look bulky, and the zipper would get like rearranged, and I hated that. So I had to put like cards and cash and not have a wallet. But if you have a card holder, it would be perfect. But if you're a person that likes to bring a lot of things on a daily basis, this maybe isn't the bag for you. For a day-to-day basis, maybe you just want to get this for the night and it would be perfect. But if you like to bring a lot of things, it is a small bag and the diameter isn't that big. So if you put more than like 3 to 4 things in here, it tends to get a little bit bulky because of how like soft the leather is malleable. So you could definitely like see things if you stuff it too much. But yeah, that is one con. I mean, it's a very little con in my opinion, because I love this bag so much and I can literally sacrifice like taking a few things out just to wear it, because I mean, bag is gorgeous, and I love using it other than that. But yeah, that's just a slight con for me. Okay, so the second con that I have is that the gold hardware is showing its wear a little bit, like where the chains are rubbing against each other. You can see that the gold is wearing off a little bit. I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much because I'm not like staring at the bag and like worrying about it. And I like to have my bags like show that I'm using them and all. So I just figured if it bothers some people out there, it does happen. At least with my bag it has. I don't even know if I can show you the right way, honestly. But like in here where the chain is always like up when I'm wearing the strap, it does rub off the gold on the interior. And yeah, the leather has really aged really well. I mean, I love the color, the way the leather turns if you have it for a long time. So this is like an up close of them. I mean, you can definitely tell that I wore this bag quite a few times, and I mean, there's a couple stains but not too bad, and I just love the patina of the leather. So yeah, that's the wear of that. And my last and final con is that it was the weirdest thing. It like happened a few times. I'm not sure why, honestly, but if I wore the bag with the strap, these hooks would like, I really can't explain it. It's like this would unhook and I just have my chain right here. Let me just show you. Probably not gonna do it now. So the chain, this gold chain would come off. There we go. Oh, okay. Hang on. Struggling. Okay, so the chain would go like this. I don't know why. I really don't, because I just struggled taking it off. But sometimes I would be in the store and I'd look down and my chain's like all the way down here. I'm like, what is going on? How are you doing this? But yeah, I just wanted to point that out. I don't know if that's only happening to me. It could be, but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And maybe it's an issue because I thought I was gonna lose this chain. I mean, this chain makes this bag look so cute and I'd be devastated if I lost this chain. See, I'm even struggling putting it back on right now. But that could just me because I have nails. Oh, I said the S word, A word. I have long nails. There we go. But yeah, this is her and that are my pros and cons. So that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, please subscribe. I love doing these kinds of videos. I have a lot of video ideas. I literally took the past hour just writing down video ideas and it just makes me so happy. And it like really relaxes me when I do videos. Like I could have the most stressful day and have so many stressful things to do, but then when I think about filming a video, I just like relax. What I love is luxury and handbags, and yeah, so it's been nice to come back and hang out with you guys. And if you are not following me on Instagram, go follow me please. I'll put my name on the screen. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments. If you have video suggestions, leave them down in the comments. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.